Binuran.
Ito na, Bi, mamsa.
Hi! Wala, biglang fish! Hello, baby!
Fish ba na?
Hello, fish! Baby!
That's fish.
Fish! Oh, more fish!
Small fish.
More fish! Ah! Bigger fish! Ah, fish! Oh, bigger! Ah, yes, fish!
Fish.
Look, put up together.
Oh, big fish.
Oh my god, that's cool. That's cool.
Look. Look. Look.
I tried.
Huh?
I tried.
It's not big. Come here, come here.
Ay, pala ka?
Scared ka?
What time?
Ginanin, Like? You like?
Yeah.
Walking, it's walking.
Oh, that's good.
You like fish?
Yeah.
Sa bango sa pumpano.
One.
Stingray!
Tao ganay. Pangos ba?
A stingray!
Tao ganay.
Bangsi.
No, uy, ano? A starfish.
Isa na dahil ito sa bato na, Bi. Punta ko ba sulod? Itong color ay ano, bato.
Oh, Kaka!
Mall?
Mabot to! Ah!
Grabe ah, pumpano.
Ano
Nakakada ko sa pumpano. Oh, na-steam na ni Uy. Stingray ay, stingray. Liho ko eh, tatlo ito. Live!
Struck with small red feathers. So Rabbit's scientific name is Paraphorus. Now bats are blooming parrot named Yoshi. So blooming parrot can be found in Borneo and here in the Philippines. So in the Philippines, they're locally known as pigboy. So if familiar with parrot named Nono. So
Bird, Bia?
unusual parrot family.
Bird, like bird.
Juniper black. So Yushi, Tweety, Nigel, and Fergus can live up to 40 years old for use. This bird prefer habitat of the wetland. Can be found in Southeast Asia, Australia, and India. So Australia, they're called the sea eagle or the red-backed sea eagle. But here in the Philippines, they're called bato or lawi in the Visayan region. The windsurfing eagle can be found on the major islands of the Philippines. This bird prefer habitat of the woodland and forest. The distinguishable among the serpent eagle because fat and body eagles. So Philippine eagle are 3 times larger than Freddy. So as in our Philippine serpent eagle Freddy. So before white belly sea eagle can be found in East Asia and Australia. So let's see the white and the head of the body with the gray and the black. We have a V-shaped mark.
Iitim. Ano, itim. Lablab din. No, pwede. Lablab iya, lablab.
This bird prefer a habitat of flower plant. So Philippine eagle is larger than the male. It is a very nasty position. And the Freddy are rescued birds. So those are green, chewy, easy to forgive. Now ready your camera. It's adding to right now. Again, request everyone to please settle down sa tama. Susunod ka ng baraw. Please settle down na kasi naigo para dahil sa idol na. Again, please settle down sa tama. So that's it, our white belly sea eagle agi. Moving picture sa sabihin dito ba ko from the lake and has a special combat metal section. Hindi ko nag-record pa dito. Direction, attitude, and motivation. So isa kasa sa mga para magtutuyo, mo balik na lang.
What is that? What is that? What is that?
Swim ang ka. Dalawa. Yeah, sure. Oh, Calvin. Bin. Bia, penguin Bia. Bia, look at Bia, the swing of penguin.